Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm Walt Cameron.
And I'm Stephanie Cameron.
And we're the publishers of Edible New Mexico Magazine. Welcome to episode 42 of the 5 Minute Friday.
This week we're getting takeout at Holmes Pizza and Arcade.
And we're making breakfast tacos.
And I'm going to tell you about the local heroes.
But first, we're going to do this.
Hey everybody. Okay. Walt's going to have lots of outtakes this week. Hello, my name is Holmes. Holmes Pizza and Arcade. Yum!
Okay, so we just went down to downtown Albuquerque and we picked up some pizza from Holmes Pizza and Arcade, and they specialize in thin crust pizza. Look at these. Ooh. This one is called, what is this one called, Steph?
That's the meathead.
This is the meathead. Of course, that's for me, because I'm a meathead. I'm a meathead. Mmm. Mmm. Perfect foldable pizza. That's what you're supposed to do. Mmm. By the way, it's really snowy outside in Albuquerque today. What better snow kind of meal you can get than pizza, right? I'm gonna try the goat. The goat. It's just called the goat, right?
Yeah, it's called the goat.
This is the goat.
Spinach, olives.
So that looks really good. Mmm. That's really good. Holmes Pizza and Arcade, downtown Albuquerque on Silver and 3rd.
And they also offer vegan and gluten-free options.
Yes, they have vegan and gluten-free options, which you won't see me getting, but they do have it. Okay, so this week we decided to make breakfast tacos because we went to Tortilleria Cuauhtemoc in the South Valley of Albuquerque, and we got these amazing tortillas. These are corn tortillas, and they are so awesome, and we thought, well, what could we do? And we also got some chorizo in our Skarsgard this week, so I thought, you know what? Let's make breakfast tacos with the Cuauhtemoc, the Tortilleria Cuauhtemoc tortillas. These are awesome. If you go down there, it's in the South Valley off of, what street is off of, Steph?
Bridge.
Off of Bridge and Isleta, and ask them for fresh tortillas, and these things are amazing. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we're gonna do is we have our Mexican chorizo, and we're just gonna put that on our hot pan. This thing, whoa, just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, we got this chorizo going. This is a Mexican style chorizo. Let me turn this down. Spanish style is more like a dried, it's almost like salami, whereas Mexican is kind of more like a, you know, ground. It's ground. It's off to the side like this. And then I'm going to use that oil that's being developed by it. I'm going to throw in some onions. Cook those up. This is one medium-sized chopped onion. I do a little bit of salt on those. Helps sweat them out. Okay, so now these onions have kind of gotten a little translucent, so I'm going to go ahead and mix it all together. All right, next thing I'm gonna add is I'm gonna add my tomatoes. This is it's a whole tomato, about a medium size. So I'm gonna just add that in. While the tomatoes are cooking, I'm gonna quickly add my potatoes. I have some potatoes here. These are new potatoes. They're already cooked. I boiled these up earlier, and we're gonna go ahead and add these in.
So those are already cooked, right?
Yeah, those are already cooked. We boiled those up beforehand. I'm gonna add those in. They're gonna soak up that flavor. You know, now that I think about it, I would actually throw those potatoes in first so they could soak up that grease. But you know what? Hindsight is 20/20. So we have 6 eggs here that have already been whipped up. And I'm gonna pour those just directly in. I'm gonna stir these in. All right. So now, that looks about done. What do you think, Steph?
Yeah, I would set it off the heat and start with tortillas.
Yep. So we sprayed some spray oil down, and I'm gonna go ahead and put our tortillas down. Just like that. Woo, woo, woo. Hot, hot. Okay, so these are pretty simple. All we're gonna garnish with is a little bit of we have farm shark, green chili, goat cheese, and we're also gonna do avocado. Very simple. A little tip, always warm your tortillas after you've cooked everything, because you always want warm tortillas. Oh, look at that. You don't want to fill it too much. A couple of, that'll work. And some of the cheese. This is green chili cheese, so it's pretty spicy. And you know, whatever else you want in there. You know, some people will put cilantro. Cilantro. Okay. These are our, I'm gonna move this over here. These are our breakfast tacos. Perfect.
So before we wrap up for this week, I want to tell you a little bit about the local hero nominations that are now open. You can go onto our website and nominate your favorite farmers, chefs, wine, spirits, beer, shops, you name it, all local businesses. Nominate them now at ediblenm.com. And that's it for this week's episode. Be safe, be well, and be kind.